lime water. And this is lemon water. Cool. These like little areas in the floor where like the plants go up. Yeah. Yeah, it's really cute actually. There's the Wheel of Death. Let's see if I can get him. Wheel of Death. This is where the tree comes up from down below. A balcony. Don't know that I can open it again. It's got a double lock. Oh, there we go. Then it opens beautifully. We got some seating and we're on the second level, but down there is the dog friendly side and it's got a nice little patio, which my dog personally would love, and some chairs. And then because we have technically a theme park view, that is Guardians of the Galaxy. And then over here-ish is where the fireworks will be. And then also if you go out the door, right before you get to our room, you can see, I call it the death wheel.
It is a fun wheel, but it's fondly known as the death wheel.
Yeah, I call it the death wheel because
when you die of fun.
Yeah,
we're gonna find out tomorrow.
We're gonna find out.
Only we can jump it.
This is our little courtyard outside our room. It's kind of like open in the center for some reason. Maybe we can go dancing tonight.
I know.
So this is what the gym looks like here at the resort. Got some weights, fan. There's the laundry over here, which is why we are here. So yeah. And they have towels, and then they also have some water for you. And then in here is the laundry. Hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Technically we're pushing it kind of close because it's only 30 minutes left. And yeah. Seems like someone is also doing their laundry. They also have a TV. Into the oven goes our cheesy bread. Nighttime pizza out on a patio.